So welcome to another video. We are going to see how to handle the cart abandonment recovery on our WooCommerce store. So for this process, we are going to use two plugins for this. To start with, we head over to the left-hand corner of the WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins, and click on Add Plugins. On the search bar, type on cart abandonment. You would see this first plugin, WooCommerce Cart Abandonment Recovery. It's free, that's what we are going to use. It has 200,000 active installation. So click Install now. Click Activate. So head over to the plugin now. You can either click here for the settings, or head over to WooCommerce menu and click on Cart Abandonment. So this is the dashboard of the WooCommerce Cart Abandonment plugin. You have recoverable orders, recovered orders, lost orders, recoverable revenue, recovered revenue and recovery rate. So we continue now to set it up. Click Settings. So ensure that the Start Capturing Abandonment Carts is enabled. Then the cart abandonment cutoff time, you can reduce this to 15 minutes. Then disable tracking for the admin, editor, and others listed there. Then under Exclude Email Sending For, select Processing and Completed. Processing and completed email data will not be captured in the email. Then you can notify. On this option, tick it. Then under here, the setting for the email that will be sent to the customer. This is the setting. The admin name could be changed to a name. The email is already auto-enabled. Then click Enable Sending Recovery Emails. You can also enable webhook, and add the URL, which you can get from your payment gateway settings. Enable this GDPR integration, click to request confirmation from a customer for the data to be tracked. So after this, click Save Changes. Then head over to Follow-up Emails. As you can see, we already have an email template that is enabled. You have emails for 30 minutes, 3 days and 1 hour. Click Edit. Over here, you have the template name, the email subject, which can be changed depending your need. You can change the title. Here, the customer's name would appear. Here. So we have the options of adding other features. You can click here at the right. Visual or text. From the WCAR fields, these are additional fields you can add to your cart abandonment recovery email. You can reduce the time within which the emails would be sent. This is tied to 30 minutes, it can be reduced to 15 or 21 minutes. You can also create coupon It allows you to create coupon. You can add a coupon amount, expiry date, and percentage discount. Then when you are done with editing the various fields, click Update Changes. We continue still. Let's check out the other templates. Let's check out the email that is 3 days. You can see the content here. Few days back you left cart product name in your cart. To help up your mind, we have added an exclusive 10 discount coupon to your cart. Complete your purchase. This is the one-time offer and will expire in 24 hours. In case you couldn't finish your order, purchase here. These are the features and benefit of this CartFlow cart abandonment recovery plugin, and it is completely free. Then over here, you can reduce the number of days that it takes for the email to be sent. The default is 3 days. You can reduce to 1 day, or less than, or make it hours or minutes. Then for the coupon, you can enable it and adjust accordingly. The discount type is either percentage or fixed cart discount. And it's only for this template. The coupon amount is also here and the expiry date for it too. If the coupon allows for free shipping, you can enable it. If it's for individuals only, click the box. If it auto applies, click this box. And don't forget to specify the number of days that needs to pass before the email is sent. Then always click Update Changes. This the report section. The dashboard to indicate the rate of your recovered cart that were initially abandoned. So we continue. The next plugin we are going to use, in respect of this cart abandonment recovery process, has to do with sending the cart recovery email. There is a plugin you have to install to ensure that these emails are sent and received. It's an SMTP mailer. So head over to Plugin again, click on Add New Plugin. Type SMTP. WP Mail SMTP is what we're going to use. Click Install now. Click Activate. Let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand corner, click on WP Mail SMTP. The default admin email is here, force email is enabled. Click Other SMTP. Then the host server, it's mail.your domain name and .the extension, which could be .com. That's what would be here. Under encryption, click TLS. Your admin email or another email would serve as the username and the password of that particular email. When you are done, click Save Settings. You have to ensure that an SMTP mailer is installed, so that your WooCommerce store or website can send those cart recovery emails seamlessly. With this, your emails won't be spammed. So, that's all for this tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and put on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.